What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video here today. Today is gonna be like a tutorial video on how to install LED halo lights on a 04, well, a 99 04 Mustang. This is actually my first time doing it, but I've already hooked up the driver's side headlight. Now I'm on the passenger side headlight, and I thought I'd just make a video. After you take your original headlights out, when you get over to, okay, here's the light right here, the halo lights. Here's your regular plug-in for your main lights, and these two wires right here are the wires that has to be spliced in, and there's your parking lamp plug. When you buy them brand new, the two wires will be black and blue. As you see, when they spliced them black and white. When you come over here, you're going to splice those two wires into your parking lamp. And your parking lamp has 3 wires on it. The middle one is brown, and this outer one over here is black. That one's supposed to be green, but it's like white and black. So, but you're going to splice if you buy them brand new, your wire should be blue. You're going to splice your blue wire into this brown, with the middle brown one. And your black wire is going to splice into the black one. I went to a local AutoZone and bought some quick connects to make the connection more, secured and safe. I've actually seen people just cut open the wire and put the wire there and add black electrical tape. I mean, I guess that works too, but if I'm gonna do it, I want to do it this way. But that's pretty much all it is to it, and I'm gonna, connect these halo lights and hopefully get some footage of me actually doing it. So y'all stay tuned. Okay, here I'm just opening up the housing of the wire so I can have more room to work with putting the quick connects in. And then right here I gotta snip off the old quick connects. If I could get these cutters to work. Supposed to be using the tip of the cutter, they're the sharpest part. But okay. Got the quick connect. I'm going to put the quick connect on the wire on the parking lamp first. Just slide it into the first slot because it has a hole for the wire that needs to be spliced in to push into a socket, like with a little hole right there to the far right of the connect. You just slide that wire in. And you hold it in while you get your wire pliers or whatever you have to clamp the metal plate down to make the connection with the wires. If I could keep the wire in my hand. Alright, let's get the wire in. Okay, the wire's in, I'm holding it with my hand, and I'm going to use my pair of pliers to clamp the metal plate down to make the connection with the 2 wires. And then there's a little cover over it, and then you flip it over and clamp it down just to secure it and make sure nothing else interferes with the connection of the wires. And now you are ready to connect your white wire to the brown wire, which would be a blue wire to the brown wire if you buy them brand new. But the same process, you put the quick connect on the wire first, and then you grab your the wire that needs to be spliced to slide it into the socket with a little hole. Looks like there's a piece of plastic on it I have to remove so it'll slide in. and then you slide that in the hole. You have to make sure it's all the way in the hole. There's an actual little plastic cover to stop the wire, so you won't push it all the way through. So push the wire all the way to that plastic cover, and it'll stop it. Then you just clamp it and cover it. Use the cover over to cover up the connection.
And after you redone the wire, you just reinstall the headlight back into the socket, and then I see it looks like this light right here is out, which I have to replace, but as you can see, that one's on, those on. But that's basically how you install the headlamps. This light bulb is just out, and I have to replace it, and that LED strip is probably out. I'll probably replace that. But for the deal that I bought these for, that's a minor fix, so I'll get that fixed pretty soon. Alright y'all, thank y'all for watching my video. Y'all have a nice day. Like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Thank y'all.